Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this magnetic gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today we're using Holo Taco's sticky base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Saltwater Taffy. Then I'm going to be doing a gradient using that, as well as Bee's Knees Bog Dweller and The Water Remembers. I went ahead and applied some latex around the edge of my nail to make cleanup easier. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the polish onto the sponge and then dab several layers onto my nails. Once I've finished the gradient and removed the protection, I'm going to go ahead and do cleanup. I'm going to use a Q-tip for any areas that were outside of the latex. Then I'm going to be going in closer to my nails with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to go ahead and use Jen and Barry's pole position to reactivate the magnetic pigment. And I'm going to magnetize each nail for about a minute or a little bit more. Lastly, I'm going to be finishing off with a top coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Glossy Taco, and I'm actually not going to be doing a final magnetization. I'm just going to be top coating and be done. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I was a little bit indecisive at first about which colors I wanted to gradient, but I think these complement each other really well. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time, and if you'd like to see that testing as well as the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.